Let's give it up for Sin! Okay. Introduce ourselves, okay? 1, 2, 3. NSYNC, hello, we are Sin! Hi! Hello everyone, I am the leader and K-pop Sin, my name is
Hi everyone, my name is Nihan and I'm the voice actor. Hello everyone, I'm the main dancer. I'm Chika.
Hello everyone, Hello everyone, I'm Kitrin. You call me Kate. I am the magnet group. Okay, so this might be your first time seeing us. We're not veterans like our fellow idol performers such as Feedback and Raven and Unisha. So we would like to take this moment to introduce our group. We are a 5-member group. Our name is Sync, not Syncer. It's like same pronunciation as Sync, as in synchronize. We specialize in K-pop choreography, hip-hop, and idol music. We made our debut last month on the 24th of March on cosplay competition. And now we are back as a guest performer. So, and with that, I'd like to thank the staff and organizers behind Ozzy for inviting us to stand here on stage to show you what we're good at.
Mike, wala.
Hello.
Mike.
Okay. We performed 2 songs, dapat tatlo, pero nagka-complications. Ayun, tatlo. Okay. We performed 2 songs na sana nagustuhan niya. Okay. Tara ba? Okay? Okay. The first song that we will be performing is Midas Touch.
Oh, wow! Goodness! Wow! Did you enjoy that? I didn't hear anything. Did you enjoy that? That's it. Okay. Wow. That could have been us. But there were schedule conflicts and so yeah.
Okay lang yan, mababawi sila soon. Okay, hinanay ko lang isa. Kagustuhan niyo ba? Like, alam niyo sa totoo lang, we already started to do a unit practice. Noong Tuesday, nag-memorize kami na Tuesday, tapos nag-rehearse kami ng dalawang Thursday na. So, sana hindi masyado magulan. So, sorry. Okay. Sorry. Have a little breather because we're gonna perform our last song for the day, which is our debut song. We performed the last song and we're bringing it to this new stage. Hello, yung mga nasa taas. Ay, ready na ba tayo? Ready? Reset. Thanks, guys. Thank you so much. Sobrang nakakapagod but hearing you guys. With your screams and your encouragements. Sobrang nakakatuwa as a dancer. So, sana ipagtuloy niyo yan with the rest of this today. And I hope after this performance, nagaganahan kayo na nanood sa amin in the future. Hopefully, we'll have more guest performances so that we can put on more stages for you guys. Oh my God. Number 2. Masasabi pa ba kayo?
Ayan, aside from the event organizers, of course, I would like to thank everyone for coming to watch. And yung mga manager namin, nasan sila? Aggie. And pati na rin yung mga friends ko and friends nila that came to watch us. Thank you everyone so much and we hope to see you on our next performance. Thank you.
Okay.